Hello everyone, I'm Mwaisaka, a student from Aga Khan University, ready to teach a class 5 science topic, the digestive system. And the subtopic is functions of major parts in human digestive system. Our lesson objective is, by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to state functions, major parts in human digestive system. Okay, we have to ask ourselves, what is digestion? We have to ask ourselves, what is digestion? And digestion is the breakdown of food into smaller components that can be absorbed into the body. The next question which we have to ask ourselves is, what is digestive system? And digestive system is the parts of the body that help in breaking down of food into small chemicals that can be absorbed into the blood stream. Okay, during our last lesson we learned about the major parts in human digestive system. And these are the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, we have the duodenum, we have the small intestine, the large intestine, and the rectum. So, here we have to start with the mouth. In the mouth, the food is broken down into smaller components which can be absorbed by the body. Still in the mouth, we also have salivary glands. The salivary glands, they produce saliva, and the saliva contains enzymes which digest starch. And then from there, the food now is swallowed down to the stomach through the food pipe, which is called esophagus. And now the process of swallowing food is called peristalsis, whereby the food is swallowed into small round balls called boluses. From there, the food goes to the stomach. In the stomach, we have HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. The acid is there to make sure that any germs which might be present in the food are killed. And then still in the stomach, we have gastric juice. The work of the gastric juice is to digest proteins. So once the food is in the stomach, the gastric juice works on the food. And after the proteins have been digested, now the food moves to the first part of the small intestine, which is called duodenum. In the duodenum, we have bile, which is produced by the liver. So from the liver, the bile moves to the gallbladder, and from the gallbladder, it goes to the duodenum. In the duodenum, we also have the pancreatic juice, which is produced by the pancreas. So from the pancreas, the pancreatic juice goes to the duodenum, whereby there is emulsification of fats and oils. And once the oils and fats have been digested, then the food goes to the entire parts of the small intestines, whereby we have intestinal juice, which is responsible of digesting the food. Once the food is digested, it is still absorbed in the small intestine through finger-like structures called villi in the small intestine. From there, the food moves to the large intestine, whereby we have absorption of water and mineral salts. The indigestible food material moves to the rectum, whereby it is stored there, and it is now expelled after some time through the anus. And now this marks the end of our lesson. Thank you very much.